Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your font style in your Vivo phone guys. You want to change guys your font style setting in your Vivo phone. So guys, you can change, and guys now let's see how to change font style in Vivo phone. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to change your font style. And guys, you can see this display and brightness setting. Click here, scroll, and guys you can see guys font style. So we have guys this download font style, and guys you have this download font style, and guys you want to download, so guys you can download from here. So we will take guys this font style, and guys you can see guys you want to purchase, so guys you can purchase. So guys try now guys, we will click on guys this try now, and guys now let's see. So you can see guys font style has changed in our Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change font style in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.